Ninja Culinary Recipes.
Today's menu: Kitsune Udon, soup noodles with fried tofu.
It's ready!
Kitsune Udon is a noodle dish with fried tofu. Kitsune means fox. In Japan, it is said that foxes like to eat fried tofu. Let's begin. Boil kombu in water for 60 minutes. Remove the kombu. Add Bonito Flakes. Bring to a boil and let simmer for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture. Combine dashi, sugar, and soy sauce to make the fried tofu broth. Boil the tofu in the broth and let simmer. Prepare the soup broth by mixing dashi, sugar, salt, and soy sauce. Bring to boil. Chop the scallions. Cook the noodles in boiling water. Heat up the bowl and transfer the noodles. Add the warm soup broth. Top it off with fried tofu, green onions, and any other toppings. The tofu adds a sweet flavor. See you!
Subscribe and stay tuned for more culinary recipes.